Hello everyone and welcome to Frogs, Fleas, and Painted Cubes 3.3, page 51 of your textbook. Our learning target today is we will be able to correctly compare graphs and tables of different exponential functions. Our ACEs for 3.3 are 16 through 19 and 49 through 55. And essentially what we're going to do today is that data that we gathered from the handshakes and high fives yesterday on 3.2, we're going to use that data to make our tables and graphs for 3.3. So I'm going to adjust the instructions a little bit from the problem in the book. So on your rubric, on your homework rubric, your ACES rubric, this thing that I give you all the time, if we scroll down here, this is a 3.3 classwork at the bottom of the page, so I have set up tables for case 1, case 2, and case 3, as well as graphs for you to be able to use for all three of those cases. So on this rubric, make the table for 0 to 10, and then graph the values from 0 to 10. Then from each of those tables, I want you to describe the patterns of change for each table, and what are their similarities and differences. And same thing with the graphs, what are their similarities and differences. Then I would like you to put all three graphs on the same graphing of your graphing calculator, and then complete part C except for part 1. That won't be necessary for you to do, but I want you to determine whether any of these patterns of change represent quadratic relationships, how or how not, and then again compare these patterns of change to the changes we saw in investigations 1 and 2. That's all there is for 3.3. We're just working on tables and graphs for information we had already gathered, so it shouldn't take you too long. Our ACEs are 16 through 19 and 49 through 55. Look forward to hearing your questions and comments in class.